So Amogus. After Amogus, I reacted to Dragon Quest. I've never been into Dragon Quest. I don't think I really grasped what was happening there. Can you guys tell me? They first showed a video of an HD remake of wait, of the third one, but then they said there will also be a remake of the first and the second. Like they just kind of low-key said it, or did I misunderstand something there? But the whole trailer that they showed was the third one, and then they're like, yeah, we're also releasing a remake of the first and the second. Huh? Huh? Why 1 and 2 later? Oh, because 3 is a prequel? Oh, so I could, if I'm interested, could I play the third one, the remake, first? If it's a prequel, then it makes a little bit sense, I guess. Yeah, it looks really pretty. And I mean, I always hear about it in the legends. Yeah, because it's really popular in Japan too. I wonder if I should stream it, you know? I don't know if I would stream it, but I'm generally very interested in it. Louis is a big fan. I think like almost all of the Japanese members are big fans.